Shopify makes e-commerce amazing.
Hey fool, you ever been to Grand Rapids, Michigan? You haven't? Stupid! It's a sweet family-friendly destination where kids and parents can enjoy a playcation together. What? I gotta spell it out for you? It's a cool city with hot art. Ever heard of Alexander Calder's La Grande Vitesse? Of course you haven't. Can I get you a Dumb and Coke? Well, it roughly translates to the Great Swiftness, and it evokes the Grand River which runs through downtown Grand Rapids. Get hip to it. Visual arts, performing arts, galleries, live music. Have I blown your mind with K-Nuggets yet? Grand Rapids is also a cool city with hot eats. Anyone who doesn't like fresh fruits and veggies can go suck a lemon.
Which is ironic, because they wouldn't want to.
So I like to visit all the hundreds of area farms in Grand Rapids where I can get fresh picked fruits and veggies. If I don't feel like going all the way out to the farm because sometimes my knee does this weird thing where it locks up and makes walking uncomfortable, I go to the Winchester, a casual downtown restaurant that maintains its own urban garden. In your face! Listen, if I told you to go to Rapids, I could understand your skepticism. But we're talking Grand Rapids, baby. That's Michigan, son. Experience Grand Rapids!
Shopify, Shopify.